Hey, hey, what? Ray Mac, hey, what? Hey, what? Welcome to Ray Mac's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. Love and not hate. Welcome to Ray Mac's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. What? Love and not hate. Come on. Welcome to Ray Mac's Kitchen and Grill.
Hey YouTube, what's up? This your boy Ray Mac. I'm doing a product review on this Magic Camp Chef air fryer. It has a basic standard dial, temperature and timer. Timer goes from 0 to 60. Temperature goes from 0 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Along with that, it has a easy release basket. I mean, this thing is so lightweight. If you're having wrist problems, it won't put any strain on your wrist at all, or whatever the case may be. All you have to do is hit that release tab and the basket will come straight up. It will release easy, very easy. And then once you snap it back down into place and lift the basket again with the drip pan, everything works great. I do like this safety catch because once you slide it into the fryer, it'll slide back and the pan won't come out at all. All right, and it's easy to go ahead and just slide it in and start cooking. So we're gonna do some lemon pepper chicken wings. Comes with a manual, all right, and also it comes with a cookbook. But I'm definitely gonna go ahead and get this thing started. I want to see how it really can compare to the one that I already have. You know what I mean? And so we're gonna see exactly what this thing is all about, y'all. So let's go ahead and get into this here cook with the lemon pepper chicken wings. Ba-dow! All right, I took me some whole wings and I cut them up into drumettes and flats. I took a plastic bowl with a plastic lid and I put some flour in it, but I did not season this flour at all. I'm trying to keep everything just as basic and simple as I could possibly keep it. So I'm putting the lid right on top of this here bowl and I'm shaking everything together. Once I've got that done, I want to shake off some of the excess flour off of the wings. I'm putting in drumettes first. I want to see how many drumettes can I first put into the basket before I start the air frying these here wings. So it took a good amount of drumettes in the beginning. So once I close this up inside the air fryer, you can see that the plastic tab then closed up on that release button. That's a good thing. I like that already. Now I'm turning the temp gauge to about 360 degrees. All right, some of these comes with digital dials, some come with the analog dial. Now I'm turning the timer to at least around about 25 degrees. And I'm going to go ahead right now and I'm going to prepare the sauce, the lemon pepper sauce for the wings. So I put in a half a stick of butter. Along with the half a stick of butter, I got me some Lowry's lemon pepper seasoning. And y'all know me already, man. I don't measure nothing. I just love doing this thing, man. I cook. I'm sorry, y'all, but just a little bit more for the house. But you see, now I got some Mrs. Dash lemon pepper seasoning. You know what I'm saying? I'm not putting any salt in this or whatever the case may be. So if you want to try something that's, you know, good and healthy, this is definitely one of those good recipes to try out. And I'm putting in parsley just so some color can spring out, you know. And after that, y'all, what I did was I just melted it down a little bit, and I also took me one lime, poked holes in it. You can split the lime down or whatever the case may be, just so you can squeeze some of that juice out. Put the pot back on the stove, let everything melt together, whisk everything together so everything can combine. After that, I let the wings cook a half of the 20 minutes. I took the wings out and I took some of that sauce and I dredged it right on top of those wings. And I moved those wings around, making sure that they was well coated. After they was coated, I went back and took the wings and placed them right back into that basket because I want to go ahead and I want these wings to brown up, all right, along with some of that seasoning that's in there. So I placed the wings back in the air fryer and I let them cook for the remaining minutes. And I'm telling y'all something right now. After that was done and I slid these things back in that air fryer and let them finish cooking, the smell was great. And I'm impressed with the air fryer, and I'm not just saying this so you guys can go out and buy one. I'm really impressed with the air fryer. And for my girl, I want y'all guys to go over and check out Booger 500 US. She's the air frying queen. I'm definitely going to be doing some of her recipes with this here air fryer. Not only will I be doing the recipes with the air fryer, my wife is going to use it and my daughter's going to use it. And I'm loving this thing right now because we could definitely eat healthy and light and have a good old grand time eating some good food. So this is it. Love and not hate. I'm going to leave the description box below for you guys to check out this here air fryer. Peace.